In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox to a document on Docusign. Whether you're new to Docusign or just looking to enhance your document signing process, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First, head over to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the address bar the URL for Docusign. This will bring you to the homepage where Docusign showcases its capabilities in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. It's crucial to be on the official site to ensure security and access to all features. Once you're on Docusign's homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This should be fairly visible on the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on it will take you to the login page where you need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you're not already signed up, make sure you do so by following the site's sign up prompts. It's quite straightforward and only takes a few minutes. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Docusign home. This will be your base of operations where you can manage all your documents and templates. Once here, focus on selecting a template for the document you'll be working with. Templates are a fantastic way to streamline your work, especially if you frequently send similar documents for signing. Simply choose an appropriate template that meets your needs. Now it's time to add some details to your document. Select the template, then enter any specific information required. This could include names, addresses, or any specific agreements related to the document. Don't worry about getting everything perfect right away. Docusign allows for some flexibility to go back and modify entries as needed. When you're ready, click on Next. This button should be clearly indicated on the screen. It will move you forward to the section where you can finalize the setup of your document and prepare it for sending. Take your time here as this step ensures everything is correctly set up before proceeding. To add the checkbox, find and click on the checkbox option. Docusign provides a user-friendly interface where adding elements like checkboxes is just a click away. This feature is particularly useful for creating forms where a recipient needs to select options or verify acknowledgement of terms. And there you have it, you've successfully added a checkbox to your document on Docusign. Remember, being attentive to details in each step will make your electronic signing process much smoother. Feel free to explore further and customize your documents as needed. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to refer back to this video whenever you need a refresher.